What's going on, guys? It's Taylor with List Weird Car Company. We are back with another car review. Today we'll be checking out our new 2019 Honda Pilot. This one's got the Elite trim. Gets tons of cool features on the interior. Starting with the exterior, we get LED strip headlights. They'll actually wrap all the way around your headlight. And then down below we got our fog lights, front bumper sensors, a chrome wrapped front grille. And then coming around to the side here, we get two-tone alloy rims, chrome trimming all throughout the exterior, around the windows, door handles. And then on the back here, we got our Elite all-wheel drive badge to the right, backup camera just under the Honda logo, and then an automatic power lift gate. We got lots of space back here. We got the all-terrain rubber mats for this one. This third row of seating does go down to make even more cargo space. Get a 12-volt power outlet over there to the left. And then just under this, we get a little bit more compartment space. But for the back seating, we do get two cup holders on each side as well as air vents. And those buttons on the back of those seats will make so you can put them down, make even more space. Closes automatically with this button. Other than that though, we do have keyless entry. Let's take a look at the interior. Alright guys, as for the interior of this Honda Pilot, we have a ton of stuff to go through. Starting up on the steering wheel, it is leather wrapped with Bluetooth capabilities, voice control, cruise control. And then over here to the right, you can do your lane keep, adaptive cruise control, and then your heated steering wheel. Over to the left, you got your traction control, collision warning, lane departure warning, and your eco mode. We also do have paddle shifters on the back of this steering wheel. Front two windows are automatic, and we do get memory front seats. Trunk latches just down here with our gas cap. But other than that, over on our infotainment center, we got lots of stuff to do. We get navigation, FM, AM radios, Bluetooth audio, rear entertainment. We'll get into that in a sec. We also do get Apple CarPlay, so you can open up your own personal navigation, own personal music apps. And there's lots more customization to do on the inside of this Pilot. Just down below, we do get dual zone AC in the passenger side and driver's side. Front two seats are heated and cooled. You got those buttons just down here next to the Blu-ray disc player, which also has to do with the rear entertainment. We have a push to start. It's got a red LED behind it. It looks awesome. And then just down here, we have a 12-volt power outlet with a USB for a phone connection, and then a wireless charging pad. The gear shifter, we have 4 buttons: park, pull back for reverse, push for neutral, push for drive, and then we have our automatic engine start and stop system. Within our console, we get lots of space, 2 sets of headphones, and a remote. 12-volt power outlet with an aux port, and then our USB for audio connection. And then a removable compartment here. Just in back, we have vents for these back seats. The back 2 ones are also heated. And then just below, we have our 2 headphone jacks, 2 USBs for charging, an HDMI port, and a plug-in. Up above us, we do get a moonroof with the controls just up in front of it. And then we have Homelink under our rear view mirror here. For the rear entertainment, we get our TV. That'll be for these back seats. Lots and lots of space on the interior of this Honda Pilot. We get a full light gray leather interior and then a second moonroof. To wrap it up, guys, our new Honda Pilot is in amazing condition with no damages or accidents on its Carfax report. It is a one-owner vehicle with just over 21,000 miles. Under the hood, it's packing a 3.5 liter V6 engine. It gets us up to 19 miles per gallon in city, 26 on the highway. It also does come with all-wheel drive, seats up to 7 people super comfortably. With that full leather interior, we get amazing features like rear entertainment, Apple CarPlay, Bluetooth capabilities. We even got heated and cooled front seats and heated seats in the back. And then we get LED headlights, alloy rims, backup camera, blind spot monitors, tons and tons of features. And then lastly, with the key fob, you'll actually be able to get your key to start. So just tap this and then hold this on the second one, and it'll start up your Honda Pilot. To turn it off, you don't have to tap the lock button. Tap this twice. All you got to do is hold down on this button once, and it'll turn it off. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check out our new Honda Pilot. We'll see you guys soon.